I can hear.
Okay. Hi everyone, my name is Mujahid Hussain and I'm third year PhD student in University of Florida, Institute of Agriculture Sciences, Institute of Food and Agriculture Sciences, Department of Horticulture Sciences. So thank you so much, Dr. Shafiq, for having me on this webinar and giving me a chance to give a brief overview on genomic analysis. So as you know that genomic analysis, it is a process which we do on a huge amount of data, and that we cannot process on our ordinary Windows computer. I mean, we have software that we can do it, but more conveniently we can do it through programming language, and most common programming language is Linux. So in the first day of our this webinar, so we will start a really introduction of Linux. So we will go through what is Linux, how it is different from Windows, and then moving forward, we will learn how we can install the basic packages of Linux. And after that, on a second day, we will move to our analysis. So first of all, we're gonna discuss a brief overview how Windows are different from Linux. So you know that Windows has been developed by Microsoft. So it is an operating system that is not open source. Open source means the developer that has developed Windows, they have not provided source code to everyone. So no one can edit that Windows software except the Microsoft. So it has a limitation that you need to purchase Windows first, and then you can it operate it as it has been developed by Microsoft. So you cannot customize it. So it means whatever you have been provided by Windows, you have to rely on it. And when you are dealing with a large amount of data, or you are developing your own server, or so you need a package or some operating system that you have a full command. So using Windows, you don't have all commands. You cannot customize it as it is privately on software. So here, the developer or software developer, they come up with the solution with the Linux operating system. So Linux operating system, it is free and open source. Anybody can modify it. The developer has already provided the source code. Source code mean it is a source code is a set of instruction that can interact with the computer programs and give you freedom to modify it. So Linux can be easily modified for your needs, how you want to customize it. So next thing is most important is security. For example, if I talk about University of Florida, they have really strict policy that no one can access University of Florida data. So our computing system is called University of Florida Hypergator. That is 50 seconds powerful computer in the world. So we generate a large amount of data every day. It is coming from genome sequencing, and some data is really critical. We have a big cancer genome.
ਉਹ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਬੰਨੀ ਹੈ
Sorry.
ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਇੰਜ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਕਾਰ ਮੁੱਕ ਗਿਆ ਇੱਕ ਮਿੰਟ
Sorry. So security is a big issue. So if you are using Windows, as you cannot customize it, and there are risks that your data or your security system can be breached using Windows. So in Linux, so you can develop your own security systems, customize it, and it is more reliable when it comes to security needs. So as you know, when we are operating Windows, so everything is user friendly, and you can click everywhere on the in the Windows using your mouse control and do whatever you want to do. But in Linux, there's a major difference that either you can control it with your what is called Windows interface, but preferably you operate it using command line. So command line basically means, so if you want to access some directory or folder, you need to write a code. So for example, if I want to copy something and paste something, I need to write a code that is called command line. So Linux operating system, it's mostly used through command line. It means you need to write a code. So when we are using Linux, so we need a package that is called distribution. A Linux distribution is a packaged version of Linux operating system. So for example, like you install Windows on your computer, in the same way, you install Linux package on your operating systems. So it can be a Windows computer or MacBook. So you need to install a distribution. So key components of this distribution is Linux kernel. So it is the core system. Linux kernel is the core system that communicate. This is a software program of Linux that communicate with your hardware that are present on your system. So it also includes system tools and libraries, command line interface, and package management system. So all these keys components are included in Linux distribution. So these are the most common Linux distribution system. So we will talk about today about Ubuntu. So we'll use this user-friendly, largely used distribution. There are many other, but we are not deal with others today. But mostly we will focus on Ubuntu. So before we start using Ubuntu, we need to install what is called Windows System for Linux on our Windows computer. So because we are going to learn how we're gonna do it. So first we need to open Windows PowerShell. So we need to open Windows PowerShell as administrator. So I'm going to share the screen.
Uh, okay.
Okay, can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So no, as you can see, I have just launched my Windows PowerShell. So you need to run it as administrator. So if you are,
Sorry, sir, for disturbing you.
yeah,
Sir, we have to do this all, or you will.
yeah. If you follow me, that will be great.
Sorry, sir, again.
So that will be great if we can do it together. So as I will be doing, you will be doing, so it will be easy for all of you to learn.
Okay, sir. Can you please explain how we can
So
download or
what, yeah,
just go?
you don't need to download. So go to your Windows search button or
Okay.
press Windows key and type Windows PowerShell and then run on Windows PowerShell icon, just right click and run as administrator. So everybody got it?
Sir, can you please show the slide?
Okay. So still, if anyone has question, we can move forward.
I think you can proceed.
Okay, so you can see this window will appear. So what you need to type now, Windows System for Linux. Okay, and then two hyphens and install. So because as I have already installed, so you can see it because it's all already installed. So it will not let me install again. So, but you can follow this step. So after installation, you need to restart your computers. So I have just allowed everyone to share. They can share your screen. So if anyone has problem, they can share screen and let me know.
So can you see in my screen?
No, we are good to go.
Wait a second. No, I cannot. So I have just stopped shared screen. Okay, no, I can see. Yeah, no, I can see.
Okay. So what I will do next?
I think you have not run your Windows shell as an administrator.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So just click on Start menu. You can see, yeah, Run as administrator. Yes, this option. Good.
Just बज के 18 मिनट.
Okay. No, run that command again.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. You need, wait a second. WSL, then it's a space.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, no, you are good to go. It's installing.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, sir.
No problem. Okay, we are moving forward now. So after installation, you need to restart your computers. And when the restart process will be done, another Linux Windows will appear. So after there will be another Windows, they will ask, Linux system will ask that you need a new username and password. So you will create a new username and password, and that username and password is required when you are installing any other major program on Linux system. Okay, so when you have no installed Windows system for Linux, so next what you need is Linux environment. So Linux environment is a set of variables that control how the system and applications behave. These variables store important information like user details, system settings, and paths. So next, what we're gonna do is we need to install Linux environment. So Linux environment will control everything that we are going to install on our Linux system. For example, packages that we are going to use for RNA-seq analysis or genomic analysis. So everything will be controlled by Linux environment. So what we need to install for Linux environment. So major software that provide Linux environment is Conda. So for installing Conda, we need a Conda installer. So like whenever you install some software on your Windows operating system, you need an installer. The most common example is when we are installing Windows Google Chrome. Sorry?
हाँ जी
Okay.
पता नहीं
So when we are installing Google Chrome, we need Chrome installer. Like when we going to install Conda, we need Conda installer. So Mini Conda is a software that we will use to install Conda environment. So how we are going to install Mini Conda. So that's we are going to learn now. So again, I'm going back to Linux environment. Okay. For installation of Mini Conda, we need to download the Mini Conda software. So where we can get the Mini Conda software? So Mini Conda, we can install it from Mini Conda website. So I'm going to share the link for installing Mini Conda. So I have just shared in a chat link for installation of Mini Conda. So because I have already installed everything, so it is not allowing me to install. So what you need to install first is Mini Conda. So once you have installed Mini Conda, so after installing Mini Conda, your environment is ready. So when your environment is Mini Conda is ready, so then what you can do, you can install anything anything on your Linux environment. Okay, so this is
Sorry,
how.
sir, for interrupting.
Sorry.
Sir, sorry for the interruption, sir. I just want to ask what to do after the restart. I have missed the.
So after restarting your computer, the window will open. That Ubuntu window will open. So when the window will open, then it will ask you to create a new username and password.
Okay, sir. I didn't see anything after restarting the Windows.
Okay. Can you share the screen? I've just stopped
Okay, sir.
sharing screen.
Sir, I think I have didn't complete the download or something.
Okay. You can try one more time. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I'm monitoring it.
Hello. Will you please repeat the whole the process of installation of Miniconda?
Okay. So I have shared this link. So if you run,
Yes.
yeah. So
Yes, I
copy
did
that
it.
link and right click.
Okay. Now I have to click download Anaconda and or what?
So the simple is you need to copy that link and then right click in your Windows PowerShell or Ubuntu. Then right click, the link will be the link will paste here and it will automatically start downloading.
Okay.
Sir, kindly tell me.
Okay, so run that command again, WSL space install.
After hyphen again space.
No, and just type install. If you have already installed, just click the Windows search button and see if the Ubuntu is there. Yeah, it's already
This
there.
one?
Just you need to open it. It's already installed.
Okay, sir.
No. Click again. Just open this program, which is already installed. No.
Hi, Mujahid.
Yes.
The link you have pasted, it says there is no directory available every time I
Sorry.
paste it. The link says that there is no directory or file available. So I think it's there's nothing inside it.
Okay. Let me share again.
Also, do we need to paste it inside the Windows PowerShell or in
So
Ubuntu?
what you need to do is, let me show you. So you need to copy that link and right click.
Okay, I mean, you mean we have to paste it inside the Windows PowerShell, not the
Yeah.
Ubuntu?
Yes,
Okay.
Ubuntu.
So it's showing 0.0%.
Yeah, it
So that
depends.
means
It totally depends on your computing resources
that
and
okay.
internet connection. So it will take some
So it
time. If
should
internet connection is
so it
slow,
should be
or if,
100%.
yeah, it will be 100%, and then it will ask to restart.
Yes.
Sir, can I share my screen?
You want to?
I'm
Okay.
running the screen. Sir, allow me please
Okay.
to share.
Everyone is allowed to share their screen.
Can
Okay.
you see my
Okay. Can you please type again WSL install
WSL space
space two hyphens? No. Just hyphens, not dash. Yes.
enter?
Yes.
Again showed my
Okay. Just close it and open it again. Run as administrator. Run your PowerShell as an administrator.
window PowerShell as a administrator. Right?
I'm not seeing your screen. Can you share your screen, please? Okay.
Now can you
Yes. Okay. Now type again.
WSL
Yes. Space.
enter? The term is not recognized the name of.
You have your internet connection?
Yeah, I have internet connection.
Okay. Let me see what's going on. Okay.
Is there any problem from the VPN? Because I have opened the VPN as well.
So what's your Windows version?
I think this is Windows 10. Okay, sir. Later I will from the recording I will do this.
Okay. If your problem will be not solved, then we can do a personal Zoom meeting. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. So anyone has problems, so then we can do our personal Zoom session. Then we can learn how you can install.
Sir, do I also have any Windows issue?
Okay. Can you start doing again?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, there may be a problem with the internet connection. If the internet connection is really slow, then it will stop it.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
I have
Okay. No, it
installed.
started. Okay. No, it started installation. Okay. Anyone has problem can share their screen. I have allowed everyone because it's a hand-on training. So when everyone should be okay, then we can move forward.
Yeah, can you share the link again, please, for the mini conda?
Okay. So how you can paste this link, just copy this link and then right click in your environment. So it will only allow you to install once you have installed your Windows system for Linux.
Will you
Yes,
please look at my windows here? I just pasted the link for Miniconda and disappeared.
It did what?
Now
You can share your screen.
I shared it. I think you can't see that.
So I cannot see your screen if you,
Now
I can see now. So have you restarted your computer?
yes, I have rebooted it.
Okay. After,
I think she needs to be inside her Ubuntu software
okay, no, you need to
environment.
open your Ubuntu.
Okay.
Yeah. Just click in on Windows search button. You will see Ubuntu has installed. Yeah, Ubuntu is there.
Here I have to paste the link for Miniconda.
Yes. Just wait a second. Okay. No, try pasting here the link.
It's not working.
No, copy it, right click, copy and right click.
Where I can get
Just
the
close this window, Windows PowerShell, close this window. Okay, no, okay, new name. First create your username and password. Enter new name, username. Okay.
it's trying to say. I have
Is it your same Windows name? If it is the same Windows name, try different name.
okay.
Try with the lowercase.
तो हाँ जी शाह जी
Yes.
Okay. Now create a new password.
ठीक है सर
I cannot type it. I'm trying to do.
Yeah, it will not show. The password will in a Linux
एक
system.
मुड़का पड़ा हुआ कि
Password
दो
will not appear.
Okay.
You have to keep in your head.
ठीक है ठीक है
After typing, you just press enter.
ठीक है वेख ठीक है
Retype again.
Yes. Just
अगर
note
आखिर
of
चंगा
yes.
मग्गा दूध बेते बनाना है
Why? Try
मग्गा
why.
बनाना
Okay, installation is
मग्गे दे
successful.
भेजेगा बंदा काप नहीं ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬਣਾਉਣ ਕੇ
No,
ਮੱਗਾ ਜੀ
no.
ਅਫਜ਼ਲ ਬਾਹਰ ਬੈਠੇ ਸੀ ਨੱਕ ਲਈ
Your
ਜਾਏ
mini con
cha
is ready. So
There's so much of the noise I cannot hear you.
yeah. So let me go to Dr. Sadia Ijaz. Then I can help you again. So Dr. Sadia Ijaz, can you please share your screen? Okay, so first of all, go to your Windows and search for Windows PowerShell. Just close this window. Okay, just right. You can see that. Okay.
Windows PowerShell.
Yeah. So you can see on the right side, run as administrator. You can first close whatever you are installing in the background because it's gonna consume your computational resources.
Now what?
Okay, so note. Okay, I think it has not. You have not run it again as administrator. Can you please close it again?
Okay, I think I've run. Okay, 1 second.
Okay. Okay. Yes, run as administrator.
This one or this one?
No, upper one. This one. Yes.
Now, next.
Okay. Yes. Type WSL.
It's already been installed. Installer?
Yes.
This?
No, just install, not installer. Install,
Okay.
not installer. Okay, it's already installed. Can you go to your Windows search button and type Ubuntu? Yes, it's already there. Just open it. No, have you restarted your computer?
Yes, I have.
Okay.
No. It says it's already installed. Do I have to restart my computer?
Yes, you need to restart your computer first.
Okay, give me 5 minutes then.
Yeah, sure.
I have rebooted already my system. Now what to do next?
So if you have restarted your computer, so you have already installed what's called mini conda.
Yeah.
Right? So after installation of mini conda, so what we need to do is whatever we need to create an environment.
Okay. And what is the procedure for that?
Yeah, sure. I'm going to share that. So now what you can do, type conda
Conta
space
space.
double hyphens version.
Yes.
Yes. Enter.
Command not found.
Okay. Okay. Can you install conda
Conda.
create space create space, then again double hyphen, give any name.
हाँ उसके कौन सा बहन
Okay,
है
press
भाई
enter.
है हाँ
8 साल के बचपन के दोस्तों ना अब फिर भी बंदा सोच लेता है कि कितने साल हो गए या कोई शादी है या कोई फंक्शन है तब रहे
Okay. I think conda is not installed. Mini conda is not installed. Can you run that link again? Paste that link and run again.
Yes, I will. Sadia, Miss Sadia Siddiq, please mute, please mute.
हाँ पर वैसे भी अपने घर के माहौल को हम किसी को बुला के खराब करें
I have to run the link over here.
Yeah.
Paste it.
Sadia Siddiq, please turn
Right
off your
click.
mic.
Just right click here. It will
Yes.
automatically paste here.
Sadia, please turn off your mic.
It's not doing. Right click.
Yes, right click. Copy and then right click.
Copy. Then again right click.
Yes.
Here.
Yes.
Did
Yeah.
it. Okay.
Press enter.
Did it. No such file or
You need to
directory.
type vget. So you have not typed vget before that. Before that link, you can see the link. This one is a complete link.
Vget.
Yeah, vget. Then type that link. So you
Without
see.
space.
Yeah.
Without space or with space.
See in the chat. See in the chat. Okay, vget. Then without space, type that link.
No such file or directory.
Okay.
It's still not working.
Just give space after vget. Vget then space. Then paste that link.
It's not working. It's not being based.
Copy that link and paste here. Right click. Yeah, it's installing now.
Okay, I think we should move forward. If I'll have any kind of
Yeah.
problem.
Can
I
you
will
stop sharing
share my
screen and
yes.
Riza
Yes,
Khalid
I
can
will.
share her screen. Okay. Just close it and go to your Windows search button. Oh, I cannot see your screen. Can you show me your screen? Yes. Click on Windows search button. Yes. Type PowerShell. Yes. And yes, run as administrator. Okay. Lisa, can you confirm it's working now?
Do you want to make allow this app to make changes to your
Yes,
device?
yes. You need to allow it.
Okay, sir.
Still getting this.
Sorry.
I'm still getting this. No system 32.
Can
Ubuntu
you
is
type?
not installed.
Okay.
Ubuntu
Can
is
you
not
type
in
again?
WSL.
Yes.
WSL install. It says Linux is already installed.
Okay. Can you try installing WSL? Type WSL. Install double hyphen install space. No. Space hyphen D.
Is it okay?
Yeah.
Distro.
Okay. I think there might be some problem with your Windows, so we can talk personally over Zoom, then we can fix it.
Okay. Okay. After the
Yeah.
meeting,
Yeah.
after the workshop.
After the
Okay. Can
workshop,
you?
we can decide some time.
Okay. Okay. Thanks. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. So no, anyone has any problem?
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, can you please again share the link for the mini conda?
Okay.
I have installed the Ubuntu.
Okay. So I have just shared in the chat. So what you need to do, type vget and space and that link.
Sir, can you see my screen?
Yeah, I can see your screen.
Okay. I have created the password and username, and after that, I have to.
Yeah, just
We have to.
just
get.
write we get and then type that link. No, we get it's there's no space between we and get. Then copy that link, right click, it will paste automatically. Yes,
Sorry,
now press enter.
It's W get, not we get.
It's W get.
It's yes, it's WG to get. Okay, no, Miniconda is installing.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, so anyone has no installed Miniconda? Next, we are going to create environment. So anyone that has already installed Miniconda, they can share the screen so we can move forward. We're going to create environment.
So now I'm ready for the environment.
Yes. Okay. Can you type here Conda?
Hello, I have installed Miniconda and shared my screen.
Okay. No, I'm going to share another link.
Sir, I have typed Conda.
Okay. Just wait a second.
Recording in progress.
Okay. Now you need to run a couple of more commands to execute the installation.
Okay, I have copied the command you share. But how can I? Do I have to type it, or I can copy paste it?
Copy and right click. It's in the chat. Copy and right click.
Okay, copy. Right click, but no, it's not working. By right clicking, I copied it.
I have just shared in
Yes,
chat.
did it. Yes.
Press enter.
Now I have entered.
Yeah, then the second command.
Second one. Okay. Yeah.
Press enter. So again press enter. So no, it is asking to agree with the terms and condition. Keep pressing enters.
It's a lot of enter button to press.
Yeah, keep going. It's a license agreement, so you need to read it.
Can't I go down by just scrolling the bar from my
No, you cannot
right
scroll
side?
the bars. So it's in a Linux you cannot do it unless yeah. It's not that long. Okay, no, press yes, press yes, type yes. You're
For
agreeing?
every, oh,
No, no,
sorry.
stop.
So
Just write yes.
I did something wrong, I think.
Okay, it is stopped. You need to type that last command again.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Type the last command again and press enter. Okay, press enter. Okay, just keep going now. Okay, now type yes.
Yes for
Type
every.
yes. Just type yes.
Where?
Yes and enter. At the end. At the end.
Oh no, what is this?
You can see the last three arrows.
Yes. Now I have
Just
to type
type
yes.
yes and
That's
then
it.
enter.
That's
Just
it.
type yes and enter.
Yes, I typed it. Now just press enter. Just did it.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Now again type enter. Press enter. Type press enter. Okay. Wait. Press type yes and enter. Okay. Now type conda space double hyphen version. Press
Enter.
enter. Yes.
And not found.
You need to close your shell and then open it again. Close your Ubuntu and then open it again.
I think. Close this window.
Yes, close it and then open it again. Okay.
Now what?
Now type again conda space double hyphen version.
Enter.
Yes. Okay. So you can see it has just confirmed that your conda has been installed. That version is 24.7.1. Okay. So as you have all observed that the first step is installing conda, because then conda is conda will allow us to create an environment that we can use to install our different packages. So next step, what we are going to do is create an environment. So how we can create an environment? So just type conda. So here's another code that we are going to use.
I have to type conda again.
Yeah, I'm typing in the chat. So I have just pasted a command in chat. So this one we can use to create conda environment. So you can see the command is basically conda. Conda is in Linux package that we are using to create environment, and this name command means we can give any name. So I have just typed here en77 as an example. So you can type any name. Okay, then press enter.
I pressed it, but it's not working.
Yeah. Okay, type yes.
I cannot type it. Now, do I have to type yes?
Okay. So have you typed this command conda create environment?
Have you shared another one? I just typed the one you shared a few minutes ago.
Okay,
Conda
type it
create
again.
name en77. Do I have to write it again?
Yeah, you can copy from your chat and then just paste here.
So kindly can you check my screen? But I have to go next.
Here's see in chat, copy that command.
It was the same. I paste.
Just copy this command and right click. Yes, press enter.
Pressed. I think I have to write Y or N to proceed. As the next sentence says, proceed Y/N.
Sorry, where it is y/n?
Just write the last statement. The last command that we can see on the screen. Proceed in parentheses Y and N. I think I have to choose Y to proceed.
Sorry, I don't see here.
This one, the last one, if you can see my screen. You see my arrow.
Can you maximize? Can you please maximize your screen?
Yes. The last command that I entered, then a new statement comes up, proceed Y/N. I'm
Yes,
going with Y.
yes, no, I can, yes, no, I can see, just press Y, type Y.
Yep.
Okay. No, you need to activate your environment. Just type conda activate.
This copy.
No.
No.
Just see in chat. So now we are activating a new environment that we have just created. Okay, so now you can, everyone can see that. So we have just created an environment that we have given a name en77. So just we have activated this environment. No, it is activated, and you can see it is showing that no, everything we were going to install it will be this environment in en77. So far, anyone has any question?
So can
So
we
if
check my screen?
so, yeah, anyone want to share their screen and need help to set up Conda environment?
I'm stopping to share my screen so
Yeah.
that others can.
So our first day, totally, I have dedicated that we should learn how we can develop our environment. Then we need to install all software. Then we can proceed for further. So that is really important that we should have Conda environment. Then we can install other packages. Okay. Okay, first you need to close your Ubuntu and open it again.
So are you
Yeah, after
telling me?
installing, after installation of Conda, you need to close it and then open it again. Okay, one more thing so I am typing here step by step. First, the first command is you need to download it. And other two commands are for installation. So I have just pasted again. So when you use vget, it will download it from internet. And then second two commands you will run to install it. So after installation, then you need to close your Ubuntu and then launch it again. After that, we will create Conda environment. Okay, now who is sharing the screen?
Sir, I am. You have said that close the Ubuntu window and again open it.
Yes, first, okay, you have closed it and then open it again. Okay, now you
Yes,
are
sir,
creating environment. Okay, just wait. It is going to create an environment. So Mahrukh, if you want to share your screen, I can help you. Mahrukh Nasir.
No, I'm good to go with this.
Okay. Then, okay, type Y and press enter. Okay, so you know you need to activate your Conda environment. So just keep in mind that EN77, it's just it is anything you can write here. What you want to write, your name of your environment. No, you need to write here Conda activate. So I'm typing again in chat. Conda activate and then your environment name. Please, it's okay. You can copy this command and yes, press enter. Okay, now your environment is ready, so you can install anything.
sorry, sir, but I have didn't write anything.
Sorry?
Sir, I have did.
So when you copy a command and then right click, it will run automatically.
after Miniconda installing.
Yeah. Okay, who is speaking now?
Sir, Rafia.
Okay, so you have installed Miniconda.
Yes, sir. After that, you have said that close the window Ubuntu and then again open it.
Okay, so you have installed Miniconda and then you have
close the window.
Okay, I think you have not installed Miniconda. So you have run all these three command, all two other commands too.
Okay, sir. I have to restart after installing the Miniconda.
Yes. So first just type type these three commands I just shared in the chat.
Okay, sir.
Just copy first one, we get Miniconda. Okay, before that link, type WGET. WGET space, then type that link. Okay, press enter. Okay, it will take some time to install. So after it will be downloaded, you need to type these two commands to install it.
So which commands?
So it's you can see in the chat after we get there's a two other commands. Okay, any other have any question? So I think because your internet connection is slow, so it will take time. Oh, it is coming up now. Okay, so then no, copy the second command.
Okay, sir.
Yes, press enter. Okay, press enter to continue. Okay, now keep pressing enter. Yeah, you need to agree to this license. Yeah, keep pressing enter. Okay, keep going.
So, do I have to enter yes?
Okay, now type yes.
Okay.
Okay, press enter.
Again, yes.
Let me read it. Okay, type yes. Okay, now you need to relaunch your Ubuntu.
Okay, sir.
Close it and then relaunch. Okay, now you need to create your environment.
Okay, sir.
So it's a command for creating environment.
So this
Okay,
one?
you can type any other name. EN77 instead of EN77, type any other name you want.
It's okay, sir.
Yeah. No. You need to type this command. Conda create. Conda create. First, you need to create your environment. Conda create.
Space.
Yeah. Can you see
Conda
in
after
chat?
conda.
Yeah.
Okay.
Space. Create. And space. Double hyphen. Name. Then any name you want. No. Space after name. Space after name.
Okay.
Okay, type Y. Press enter. Okay, now you need to activate your environment. Just type conda, activate. And your environment name, space your environment name. Okay, so your environment name is successfully created.
Thank you, sir.
So anyone has any questions so far? So this one is, the first part is really important. Otherwise, we will not be able to install any software or any package. Okay, so can we move forward now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so no, I'm going to just sum up what we have done so far. So as you know, we need to install different packages in our Linux environment. For installation of different packages, what we need an environment. So how we created environment, we have installed Miniconda. So Miniconda will provide Miniconda. Using Miniconda, we have created environment. Now we can install our desired software. So what type of software we need? So I'm going to show a pipeline. So after showing you the pipeline, we're gonna install all required packages, and then we can go forward to our analysis tomorrow. So you can see, everyone can see my screen.
Yes, we can.
Okay, so you can see this one is a pipeline. How we are going to do first of all RNA-seq analysis or genomic analysis. So first of all, we need to understand file types. So our Conda environment is ready. So these are the file types we are going to encounter. So as you know, there are two types of sequencing. One, we do just do PCR, amplify a fragment, and then we go for Sanger sequencing. So when we are going to for Sanger sequencing, what we will get the file type, it's called FASTI file. So FASTI file is just strings of nucleotides. Either it's gonna be a nucleotide or amino acid sequence. The file that has only information of nucleotide or protein amino acids, that's called FASTI file. So there's another type of sequencing that is next generation sequencing that is done by Illumina platform or NovaSeq, the big platform. So that platform, they're gonna create a file that is FASTA-Q file. So FASTA-Q file, it is different from FASTA file. FASTA-Q file, it contains nucleotides, their quality score. So these are the two information that it's gonna contain, FASTA-Q file. So when we are getting our sequencing, it will be in the form of FASTQ file. So we need to process these FASTQ file. So for processing, we will get other two types of files. One is a sequence alignment map file. So when we are going to align our reads with our reference genome, then we will get SAM file. So we need to then convert SAM file to BAM file. So SAM file, it will be huge file. It will be around, it will be in gigabytes. So for make it easily processable, then we need to convert into binary alignment map. So this BAM file, it will be not too heavy when we convert SAM to BAM file. It will be easy to read and process because it will be in binary format. There will be no nucleotide in this BAM file. So after converting it to BAM file, then we are going to process for RNA-seq analysis or whatever analysis we want to do. So we will do these steps in details. So next file type we will encounter is variant data format. So when we will be doing single nucleotide polymorphism or variant analysis, we have two types of file, variant call format and its binary type, which can easily processed into binary format is called BCF file. And other type, if we have expression data in case of RNA-seq analysis, so we need what is called annotation files. So annotation files will be general feature format or GTF, gene transfer format files. So these are the different types of files which we are going to encounter when we will do our RNA-seq analysis or genome sequence analysis. So now we are moving back to our pipeline. So here's an overview of simple RNA-seq pipeline. So it is looking complex until unless we are not doing it. So it will look complex. So you can see we will do different type of modules. These modules mean package. So we will do quality analysis that we will use using fast QC. So it is another Linux package. And to analyze that quality, we will run this multi QC. And for trimming and filtering, we have other packages. So I'm not going to reading it everything because we will be performing everything tomorrow. So all we will be installing into our the environment that we have created. So this is my Linux environment that I have already created. So we will install all our packages in this in the environment that we have already created. So
I have a
after that,
question.
we will be able to do analysis. So so far, anyone has any question, you can come up.
Yes, I have. I want to
Yeah.
ask, do we have to create a new environment for every new project?
No, we don't need to. So one environment is enough. So you can install all your packages in a single environment and do analysis whatever you want to do.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Can we do it on a simple FASTA files like I have 100 sequences of FASTA? So can we process them with this?
Sorry?
I have 100 simple sequences of FASTA files.
Okay.
One file contains 100 sequences of FASTA, or one sequence is around 30,000 base pairs. And
Okay.
in this file, there are 100 sequences.
So what you want to do? What's your end goal?
Can we align them with this multiple sequence alignment? Can be done with this?
That's really simple. So tomorrow we are going to learn that one command is cat command. So cat command, we can split any a big fragment, or we can we can join that big fragment. So what one thing we can do first, join it and then align with the reference genome, or simply because you have so many fragments, so we can simply align with using star alignment or any other alignment tool, and then we can process. That's really easy.
But can we do it? मतलब कि 100 sequences तो हम एक दफा में align कर सकते हैं. इसलिए मैं
Yes.
cluster W use करती हूँ तो वो बहुत time लेता है. 20 sequences को बहुत मुश्किल से करता है वो.
So if you want to see, just keep in mind when you are aligning with cluster W, it has different purpose. So when you are aligning with these other packages like star alignment, it depends on what you want to do at the end. If you want to see, okay, which one is aligning with which one, so we need to create a different pipeline for it. So I will guide you how we can create that.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So anyone has any questions so far?
I'm just saying that some people use Galaxy server for RNA sequencing. So I'm curious about, is there any difference to use Ubuntu or Galaxy server, or is it the same?
Yeah, that's a really good question. So if you are using so we have installed Ubuntu because we want to use our Windows computer. So directly we cannot use Galaxy Star or any alignment tool using just Windows. So first we need what is called some software that can interact with our Windows that we can use as a virtual Linux machine. So first we have Ubuntu is our virtual Linux machine. Now we can install on virtual Linux machine whatever you want to do install. Either we can install Galaxy Star or anything. Hello?
Yes, understood.
Okay. So any further questions? So next, what we are going to do, we will install all packages and then try doing RNA-seq analysis. So I can see in chat, so many people want to talk to me. So they can just text me in WhatsApp group, then we can talk. So basic thing that we need for our RNA-seq analysis, genomic analysis are RNA-seq analysis. So basically setting up environment and then installing packages. So we are no good to go for tomorrow. So Dr. Shafiq, we are no good to go for tomorrow.
Sir?
Yes.
Sir, can you please make a summary after after creating the environment we have done?
Yeah, I will share
start
the I will share the notes and pipeline.
Okay, sir.
So no, we can conclude the today's session. So if anyone has a personal questions, so everyone is, I think, in a WhatsApp group, so we can talk. Or anyone want to come in person, so I can share the link, so we can continue.
Hi, doctor.
Yes.
Yeah. Is it better if we install all our softwares today so that we can save our time for tomorrow for further analysis? Because still we have time.
So that's really good approach, but a problem is when we are going using our pipeline. So I want that we are doing everything step by step. So when we will be finishing this today. So tomorrow we will be completely blank. Okay, what we have installed and where from we start. So we will follow the pipeline. So it will not take time. So it will be within 1 or 2 minutes. We will be good to go.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, otherwise, I am going to share that software we are going to install in the group, all that pipeline. So anyone want to install, so we can easily install.
Yeah, I think that's a good idea to have the pipeline before starting the tomorrow session.
Yeah, that's why I haven't shared the pipeline before, because first that was really important, because most of the students,
I think it will save most of the time.
Yeah, they are starting first time. That's Linux system.
Yeah, I can understand that.
So, yeah, that's really important that they should set up the environment.
Thank you.
Also, for everyone else, it's not a Linux course, it's a genomics course. So you should have at least basics of Linux to understand all of this. Otherwise, we are going to consume a lot of time. And as it's only 3 days workshop, and please go through what is Linux and how can we operate it in different command lines, different scripts.
Yes, I have already prepared a basic command lines files. So I I uh, I'm gonna tell you. So you cannot operate Linux within 1 or 2 days. So I will share those commands. So when we will be doing our pipeline, so we will be moving forward and backward. So once we will go through, that's the best way, learning by doing.
Yes, sir, you are right. You are doing a good job, sir.
Okay, Dr. Shafi, can you hear me? So everyone is in WhatsApp group.
Yes, sir.
So we are concluding today's session. So fewer people have already reached me to talk me in person. So if they can text in a group, then I'm gonna share the link, then we can talk. Thank you so much, everyone. Then we will see everyone tomorrow. Bye.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, please don't skip any of the step. If anyone knows about Linux already, so we didn't know about this. So
I'm
please don't
100%
skip.
agree. So that's why you can see today. So I'm helping everyone until unless
Yes, sir.
everyone is not satisfied. So that's
Thank you, sir.
that's how
Sir, it's a
I
request.
prefer to do. Yeah. So because most of the people are really new. When I started, I was like you. So I have did a lot practice. So I will not spare anyone until unless everything is not clear.
Thanks a lot, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I have a question, if you allow
Sure.
me.
Sure.
Sir, is it possible without learning a new language that is the Linux and then concentrating towards the genomics and NGS data, we directly use some packages like R language or Python through Windows or through some other means? Because we have to make double effort. First, we have to learn Linux, and then again, its own command, and then we have to use Conda and Anaconda or some Python or its huge efforts are required.
So there are two types of approaches. One approach is okay. Just understand this question like this. If you are using R or Python, you can use R and Python in Linux. So Linux is a basic language. If you know the Linux, then you can use that R and Python also in Linux. So so my point of view is learning Linux, it can give you more command that, okay, you have no multiple options. You can use either, you can use Linux doing R in the same, within a single environment.
Sir, my question is, I rephrase my question, that is it possible I without learning Linux, I have to do all these jobs that you are doing in the genomics or NGS data in a depth?
There are some Python approaches, but I uh, I I don't go with those approaches. So basically, my command is on Linux.
Right, sir.
I do Python, I do R, but I do with the Linux system.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Anyone has any further questions? Okay, thank you so much for joining today. So we are concluding today. Then hopefully we will meet tomorrow. Bye, everyone.